In this video we will see how to change margin size in Google Docs. You can easily change the top, bottom, left and right margin in Google Docs, and also you can change the page orientation, and in addition you can also set all this option as a default setting for the Google Docs. So let's get started. I will close this. To change the margin size in Google Docs, go to the file option, and under the file option here at the bottom you will see page setup. Click on it and now you will get this dashboard. Here the margins are in inches, so suppose you want a 1 inch margin, you can just enter 1 in all the boxes and then click on OK. You may have noticed that the margins have not changed. If you are not happy with the margin and you want to rechange it, just go again to the page setup and insert the margin size in inches as required. If this video helped you, please subscribe to support the channel. It takes only 1 second, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.